Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today, we're going to be doing a really quick video on how to submit feedback directly to us. And essentially, we know that community is a big part of what makes Easel what it is, and we want to continue to kind of improve it, and we're constantly working to make it better and something that the community can use to achieve their carving goals. And part of that is getting feedback from our users. And so it's really important to us that we get that feedback loop directly from you. And so this is just going to be a quick video on how to submit feedback so you can help us improve our product. And to do that, you can start by just having an Easel project open. And at the top of the page, there's going to be an option to click on Help. When you click on Help, you'll get a drop-down menu, and one of the options will be Share Feedback. When you click on that, you'll see this window pop up, and it'll say share your feedback, have questions, comments, suggestions about Easel, share it with the team. You can type into here and just give us your feedback on what you think is going to be best for Easel, comments on features that we've implemented, anything like that. Then click send, and that's going to go directly to us, and we'll be able to take a look at that. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.